Hello again to the last part of my pinhole series in English language. This is now on a field where we can grab some stones to build houses, and here I tried to just do some pinhole pictures with paper. For the paper development or for the paper exposure, I did use ISO 3, and as you can see in the following pictures, it's something between 6 and 15 seconds, depending on against the light or in the shadows. During the year I will try also film, but for the first test, after all these modifications, I guess paper was good enough. So it was 5 exposures, so very short video, and I will show you what I did. So the idea was to do just basic exposures, and also one with a red foil attached, so simulating a red filter. And therefore I will also look for a picture or for a scenery with clouds to see maybe the effect of the red filter, which could be simulated with the red foil. So anyhow, the result looks pretty nice. It looks like an open door in a staircase. We will see. But what is if we would use colored filter to modify the grading during the exposure? So that's maybe worth a try, to use a yellow or magenta filter for the next time. In a second, everything worked well, and I can say this pinhole project is finished. Hope you enjoyed this video series. And give me a like or a thumbs up, or whatever you think is good enough for this video series. And yeah, stay tuned and have fun with building your own pinhole camera. Bye!